Diesel emissions rules aren't optional, they're the law. Every diesel engine on the road today relies on two systems to stay compliant: the selective catalytic reduction, or SCR, and the diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF system. Both work together to reduce harmful nitrogen oxide emissions and keep vehicles within regulations. But one of the biggest threats to compliance and to your customer's bottom line is the crystallization inside those systems. When DEF starts to crystallize, it's not just a small inconvenience. Those white deposits can clog the injectors, lines, tanks, and mixers. The system can't dose DEF properly, and that's when warning lights start flashing, engines go into limp mode, and performance and fuel economy drop. Once those deposits take hold, repairs can get expensive fast, and the vehicle could even be forced off the road until the issue is resolved. So, for counter pros, understanding what causes those deposits and how to prevent them can make a big difference for your customers. That's where Rislone Diesel DEF Treatment comes in. This maintenance solution was developed after years of research specifically to stop DEF crystallization before it starts. When customers use Rislone Diesel DEF Treatment, every time they refill their DEF tank, they're preventing AdBlue or DEF fluid from crystallizing. They're protecting SCR hardware and improving overall DEF performance. They're keeping components like the tank, pump, heater, sender, lines, injector, and mixer clean. And they're staying within warranty because this product works with all urea AdBlue DEF fluids and won't void manufacturer coverage. It's especially useful for vehicles that spend time idling, make frequent stops, or see short runs. Those conditions are where buildup happens most often. And if a customer already has warning lights or reduced power from existing buildup, recommend Rislone DEF Crystal Clean Diesel DEF and SCR Emission System Cleaner first. Once the system's clean, they can switch to regular maintenance with Rislone Diesel DEF Treatment. Application could not be easier. Just measure and pour directly into the DEF tank or into a DEF bottle or cube when refilling. Here's the breakdown. For a quart of DEF, you need to add a 1/4 ounce of Bars Leaks DEF Treatment. For a gallon, you will need 1 ounce. To treat a cube of DEF, just 2.5 ounces. For larger systems, you will need just 8 ounces to treat 8 gallons. No tools, no downtime, just preventive maintenance that keeps everything running clean and compliant. And staying compliant with diesel emissions rules does not have to be complicated. By helping your customers add Rislone Diesel DEF Treatment at every refill, you're helping them prevent problems, protect their investment, and stay on the road.